Hi dear friends, today also I came with another video. Today my topic is, you can see in front of me, this is 20 kg top loader washing machine. It is brand wise Super General, the model wise SGW2022. This machine having problem. This is totally dead, actually it's not working at all. We are not able to switch in on. It's machine not working, totally dead. Now I'm going to repair this machine. Also I will show you how to repair and we will go to the next step. Now dear friends, I already given power connection. You can see here it is totally dead actually. Now we have to check from the beginning A to Z. That's mean from the power socket, power wire, everything we have to check now, and we will go to the next step. Now dear friends, we will check this fuse. For that if it is fuse, I know 100% fuse is okay. Yes dear, you can see here this fuse is okay. Now we have to check back of the machine, also having one fuse. That one also we will check. We will remove back of the machine here. All 4 screws I have to unscrew. That I can remove this one. Now dear friends, here we will check here. Here I will remove this one. The connectors all together is coming here. Now it's okay dear. Now we will remove this one. This is the first time I'm thinking removing. You can see here. Here one fuse. We will check this fuse also. Yes dear, that fuse also okay, no problem. You can see, no problem. Now this is live wire, this neutral wire. Now we will check here 230 power supplying or not first after giving power. Now I will give the power connection. This is supply wire. This is the neutral. Now we can check here. Just dear, now we will check here, because with that it's difficult to check, because of that I remove that cover. Now we will check. Yes dear, I already given power connection, but power not coming. Again we will check from here also. Yes my dear. Yes dear, you can see here it is power not supplying to the, you can see here power not supplying to the cord. Now we have to check again cord continuity. Then, yeah. Yes dear, now I will check the continuity with the power cord. Yeah, this is the supply wire. Now we can check here also. Yes dear, is not supplying. You can see here no continuity with this wire. Only one wire is continuity showing, neutral wire, but base live wire is not showing. This is neutral wire. You can see here live wire not showing. That means problem with this power cord. Now I will do one thing. Again I will check. Yes dear, you can see something problem with the, something wrong with the main power cord. It's not showing. Now I will do one thing, I will cut here. Now I will check here again. Yes dear, now you can see here it's showing. This is live wire. You can see it showing now. Neutral wire also showing. That's been problem here. This one somewhere it is internally short. We can check here also. We will try to check. Just here you can see it is burned, one wire, live wire, internally damaged. Because of that 230 supply not supplying to the machine. Now I will do one thing, I will fix again. Yes dear. Now I will give the power connection without plug top. Now I already given power. Now you can see dear friends, it is automatically machine got start. It is direct spin cycle still running. Now you can see dear friends. Now dear friends, you can see the problem. Actually I found the problem because the main power wire, it is already got damage. That's why it's not came to the power. Now I will start direct spin cycle again. I will start showing 20 minutes. Yes dear, clutch, pump, everything perfect. Now it decreased in time, it is came to 16 minutes. Now you can see dear friends, drum already start. That's mean actually the customer informed to me it is somebody came and check, it is they informed to him it is problem with the main control board. Now it is main control board, everything is perfect, only the power cord having problem. Now my job already completed. I have to fix one plug top for the power cable, supply wire. After that my job will be completed. Now dear friends, I will disconnect the power. Now I'm going to fix new plug top. Yes dear, now it's okay. Now I will check again. Oh. Yes dear, machine is running well, no problem. Now I have to check with the water. After that my job will be complete. Yeah, its water came a little bit here. Now I will shut down again, disconnect the power. I have to again, as same before, I have to keep this one properly. Yes, it's done dear friends. Now you know the problem, you saw the problem with this plug top. This live wire already disconnected, because of that machine not running. Now simply I resolve the issue. My job already completed. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thank you again.